Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a faucet with a sprayer. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, this is a faucet with a sprayer, and in this video tutorial I will be showing you and telling you specifically how to use a faucet with a sprayer. And this will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get into this. So as you can see, like I said before, as we are getting into this video, this is exactly what I was talking about, a faucet with a sprayer. I'm not talking about those spray faucets that sit on the side. I'm talking about an actual regular faucet that has a built-in sprayer, okay? Now I'll show you how to use it. First and foremost, you can use it regularly. Turn on the water, it's aerating the water, very simple. Turn it off, just like that. But the sprayer is a functionality that is added in that you can use separately, okay? Or basically together with the faucet. So you turn on the water, and to use the sprayer together with the running water, you want to push the button that activates the sprayer, which is this one right here. And as you can see, we are now spraying with the sprayer head, okay? You can turn it off and turn it back on. Now you'll notice when you turn the water off, it deactivates the sprayer. So watch this little button over here. Check this out. As soon as I turn the water off, the sprayer button releases. And then when I turn it back on, the sprayer has been turned off, okay? So that's how to use the sprayer functionality. But in addition, there's another thing, usually in most faucet sprayers, in most faucets with a built-in sprayer, and that is this stop button over here. So I'm gonna press this and hold this down up here. As you can see, stop the flow of water. I can release it, the flow continues. Same thing with the sprayer. I can spray, I can stop the flow, and then when I release it, not only does the water keep running, but the sprayer has been turned off once again by itself, okay? In addition to the sprayer and the stop functionality, you can also usually pull down most faucets that have a built-in sprayer. If you want to, let's say you're washing dishes and you want to clean the sink, you turn on the sprayer, you go around, you clean your sink like that, let's say, and then you want to stop the water to do something and then turn the water back on, just like that. And that is essentially it. That is how to use a faucet with a built-in sprayer. I've shown you all of the functionalities of it. And yeah, really easy to do and a really convenient feature and function that you should look for in a faucet that you're considering for your kitchen or bathroom or laundry or anything like that. It's, I mean, maybe not a bathroom, but definitely a kitchen or a laundry room. Very good thing to have built in. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.